Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome guys in this fantastic, brand new, very important and very helpful video for all of the beginners, for all of the English learners and speakers. Because guys, today in this video, I'm gonna share a very important topic with all of you. This topic is very beneficial, and if you practice as I share with you, then guys, with a normal practice of 10 minutes 20 minutes, you are gonna see many results and also many benefits in your speaking. Yes, don't believe me, just watch this video, because guys, in this video I am gonna share with everyone that practice English like the situation. Yes, situation will change always, and we also should always just do our work on at any situation. Okay, doesn't matter what the life is going and what it is doing, just do your work and you will see the benefits. So guys, now also it is a little bit difficult to understand, but slowly step by step I will try my best to understand you and you also understand. If you can capture this topic a little bit also, then guys, many benefits, and also the English speaking will be very easy for you. Your English speaking journey will be more shorter and it will be very powerful and it will be very motivated. So let's start the video without any stop. Never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. This is a very simple quote, two-line quotes, but this quote will teach you the best lesson of life. Yes, and also if you understand this quote, then you will learn properly to practice the English language like your situation and like the situation. So guys, try to understand what is the quote first. So this quote, it is that our life, I always say to everyone that the world is our classroom, the life is our classroom. We should learn from everything from this world, because a small little thing also can learn us a number of things. So that's why just try to learn everything and also what the life is teaching to you. I want to share a very important thing to everyone, that if you are thinking that life never teach me something, then you are wrong. In a second, in every moment, life is teaching to you. But what is our mistake? Our mistake is we don't try to learn it. Okay, learning and teaching. Life is teaching to us. The time is also teaching. A small little thing, it is teaching us. But what we are doing, we are not teaching. We are not learning. But if you can learn, if you can understand all of those small things, all of those small thoughts, then you also will do a lot of things in your life. Okay, I am not talking about the education study, they are another thing, and our basic knowledge, it is another thing. Okay, our knowledge, our habits, our attitude. So that's why I also will tell you a simple story. This story is very beautiful story. In this story, there is a boy whose name was Ram, and Ram was in class 6. So one day when he was just watching his phone by laying down on his bed, then suddenly he remembered that there was a class test in his school. So that's why he also had to study at that day. So he decided that okay, now after leaving the phone, I will just start reading. I will take a good preparation for the class test, means for the exam. So that day, at that moment when he was thinking, he was just playing games. So he thought that okay, after few moments I will leave the phone and I will sit down to study, because now it is the important part of game. And then again he start playing the another game. He thought that okay, only one two game, what will be there, only 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes game. So after few moments I will leave them and I will start the book, start reading. At that moment when he played game so much and he was very bored, so that's why he left the game. But again he went to scrolling the reels, he just started watching phone videos. So he thought, he was thinking that I will stop, I will study, I will leave this phone after few moments, after few hours, after few minutes. So this little thing that I will do it after few moments, it not let him to leave his phone for a long time. And then after minimally 1 hour when he left his phone, then suddenly he just sat down with his books, with his study books. But there, in from their house, the electricity had gone. So for the electricity, there was no electricity, so how he will read? He also could not read at that moment. moment at that day. So he just thought and thought what he can do. He couldn't do anything. So that's why at the next day when he went to his school, he also told to his teacher that, teacher, I tried but I couldn't study because there was no electricity. But they are neighborhood friends, they said that no, teacher, in our house there were electricity, but only at the night moment from 8 to 9 there was no electricity. But we also prepared so well. But Ram, he always play the games, he always spend his time and waste his time with the phone, so how he will study, so how he will read? So at that moment the teacher also understood that, and that day Ram was failed with that class test. So that's why from that day Ram learned a very very important thing. It is that everything we should do in its perfect time. Okay, and don't ever think that I will do this work after few moments. Okay, now also I will share my own experience also with you. Few days ago I was thinking that I will make a video, but when I went to the outdoor side, then I saw there was very sunshine. So that's why I thought that, okay, now this is very very sunshine, so I will make the video at the afternoon time, means at the evening time, because in the evening time there is also no very sun rays and sunshine are there, and also a very cool place I will get. But when I just went to the outdoor at the evening time, I saw that it is also raining moment was going on, means the wind was moving very very hardly, and also it was all about to stream, okay, to storm, and also to rain very heavily. So that's why that day I so couldn't make video. So this thing I want to share with everyone, that this small story and also this small activity, this small course also will teach you one thing, that just try to become closer to your situation. Okay, just remember this thing, that what Ram did, what I also did there, it was very similar. So okay, so like the thing was that everything we should do in its perfect. Now if you're thinking that I will do this work after few moments, after few hours I will do this work, and then you will see that after few words there will be something, it is sure. Okay, that there after few years, after few hours, the electricity will go, and also the another any trouble will come in your life in that situation, and that trouble and that problem will not let you to do that work perfectly. So now if you have time, then do the important work. Okay, now the work is very important. Watching phone, playing games, they are not important. They are only a way to waste our time, to spend our time. Okay, to just spend our time and also just make it more funnier, more enjoyable. But what is your work now also? Like my work is making video, so now I am making the video. So means I am just first of all doing my mandatory work. It is the morning time, and then after when I will make video for today, I am free. I will go in my house, I will edit it, I will post it. Now I am free, I can do my another works. But first of all, what is your main work? Just try to do that work perfectly. And if you just make excuses with it, then it will be very very bad for you, not for me, it will be bad for you. So these simple codes that life teaches us. So what is our life? Our environment, every little things like the current, the electricity. The electricity also gave a lesson to Ram, that was that everything you should do in its perfect time. Like the rainy season, I was just as about to make the video to practice English, but for the rain I couldn't do it. Why? What? Because at that moment when everything was great, when everything was cool, I also could make the video, but for the fear from the sunshine I didn't do it. But at the last there was rain, and also for the rain I also couldn't do it more. Okay, if I want, then also I could make the video. By how? I also can go under a shade and I also could make the video, but I didn't do it. I chose the afternoon time, but it also returned back to me in the afternoon. There was the rainy season. So that's why I want to share this little thing to everyone, that life teaches us always the important things. And as the same thing happened with me, the same thing also happened with everyone in our life. It is a common thing. So like for the common thing I want to share with everyone, that just try to manage your time and try to practice the English language. Like also now I am practicing the English language. Now also the sunshine is coming, but now the environment is cool, the wind is also going, means it is a mixture environment. So that's why it's also great for to practice the English language. Just try to understand, if the sunshine is very high, then also you can go to a shade, you can practice. And if also it is raining, then you can go in your home, in your house, in your room, you also can practice there. I am just telling to everyone that learn to practice English language. Every time you should do the practice. Without the practicing, there is nothing will help you to develop your speaking skills. If you want to develop your speaking, then you should practice. You always have to practice. But also sometimes it will give you problem, and also you will be also face problems, that when you are thinking to practice the English language, at that moment it may be your parents, it may be anyone, and also some problem will come in your life at that moment, because our life never will go like our thinking. Now what you are thinking, now what I am thinking, this will not be the next time. Okay, now if you are thinking that okay, now I am just watching the phone, and the next few hours I will just start practicing the English language. But at the next few hours, when you will just leave your phone, then you will find out that there is something is going already, and that thing will not let you to practice the English. So I am just sharing to everyone, just make a particular time to practice the English language, and then just start speaking at that particular time. And also just become natural with the situation. Just try to speak like the situation. Like now the situation, what is the situation? It is the environmental situation, and also all of the background you can see the trees, and also many houses, small houses of people. It is a bridge, it is also a railway. Okay, a over railway bridge, and also this railway bridge is not now prepared fully, so that's why it is also a railway station of Bangladesh and to like India, and also Agartala. So I'm just wanna say to everyone, just become natural, and what is going with the nature, just also you can speak that. Okay, if you are thinking that I will, my topic is this, I will speak about this, then it may be after few years you will see that the whole situation is changed. So at that moment what you will do, you have to change your topic. Okay, topic changing, or also topic just you have to speak the same topic, it is not the thing. Okay, you have to first of all speak what is more important for you, you have to focus on that. So it was the thing that I want to share with everyone. I know that it is a little bit difficult to understand, but if you try, then you can understand it. So just try to put the quotes in your brain that never stop learning, because life never stop teaching. This simple quotes will teach you all of the things that you want, and also giving you trouble. So bye bye guys, I will meet you in the next video, and another brand new video I will make, and I will just share in the YouTube. But if you don't just subscribe my channel, then you can not also will be able to also just practice and also to see that video. So bye bye, I'll meet you in the next video. Just subscribe the channel for this type of more new videos. Just remember, I am your friend, and I will always give you shortcuts, new practices, and also a lot of new ideas to practice the English, and also to develop your English. But if you don't subscribe, then you are not gonna find any of them. So bye bye.